The Google Pixel 7a is expected to arrive at Google I/O 2023 next week, but in classic Google style, the phone seems to be already available. But, given how often this occurred, we shouldn't be shocked. There are already 2 significant videos available: a complete hands-on video from YouTuber Munchie and a comprehensive disassembly of the phone by RB Previews. At the absolute least, it means we can have a look at the mid-range Pixel ahead of time. Both videos expose different aspects of the phone. In a hands-on video by Munchie, it was remarked that the Pixel 7a looks to be more polished than its predecessor, the Pixel 6a, with the display resting flush with the frame. The phone has a 6.1-inch display with a very thick bezel, although it seems to have a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The screen does not support adaptive refresh rate, so it will not adjust automatically and perhaps save some battery life when the full 90 Hz is not necessary, but you may enable it manually. As predicted, the Pixel 7a in the video is powered by the Tensor G2 chipset and has 8 GB of RAM, up from 6 GB in the Pixel 6a. The phone keeps last year's in-display fingerprint scanner. According to Munchie, the camera bar on the rear of the phone does not protrude significantly. The camera module of the Pixel 7a is inspired by the Pixel 7. The battery seems to be a source of contention, as the phone in Munchie's video claims to have a capacity of 4,300 mAh. However, a breakdown from PB Previews notes that the battery pack itself states the capacity as 4,385 mAh and 4,344 mAh. The fact that 3 different amounts are mentioned is unusual, and we may have to wait for Google to explain this. According to the hands-on video, the Pixel 7a will offer wired charging rates ranging from 18 watts to 20 watts, while wireless charging will be restricted to 5 watts. This wireless charging speed is rather sluggish, although a dedicated wireless charger, such as the Pixel stand, may provide significantly quicker rates. However, owing to the phone's slow wireless charging speed, reverse wireless charging is not available. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.